Are these dogs adopted?
Huh?
Are these dogs adopted?
Yeah.
From where?
From China.
And
They came from the meat trade.
they did?
Yeah.
And
There's an organization who rescues dogs from the meat trade.
and what's the name of the organization?
Road dogs.
And you adopted one too?
Yeah, right there.
Wow. That what there? Wow, it's amazing.
So he was on the back of a cart headed for a meat market in China.
Wow, man.
Yeah. All these dogs.
Yeah, I heard they just passed law here in LA. You can't use meat, dog meat anymore, cat meat.
I hope not.
No, but that should have been passed, right?
Yeah, okay.
They just passed that law, though.
Yeah, no.
Well, you guys are amazing, man.
Well, thanks.
Is that him?
That's it?
Wow. Wow. Welcome, man. Welcome.
Welcome to America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for doing that. Yeah, because I was here I work every day. I was here last week, and then a lot of folks had these dogs.
Yeah.
Is that the meat trade, huh?
Yeah, the meat trade.
So how do they give them up? I don't get it.
I really don't know. You'd have to ask my wife. She
I got
knows
you.
more. Yeah. It's her mission.
Well, it's a great mission, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, thank you, man.
Yeah, you got it. Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
You're amazing. Wow. Good people here. Yeah. Sure.